Still clicking around like your mouse is some sort of royal scepter. Buddy, it's 2025. We don't click, we command. Your keyboard is a vault of hidden powers, and today we're cracking it open with 150 Windows shortcuts you probably never knew existed, and trust me, once you do, there's no going back. So grab a snack, ditch the mouse, and let's turn you into the Wizard of Windows. Let's start spicy. Ctrl plus Shift plus V paste without formatting. That means no more Word documents screaming in Comic Sans after you copy from a weird website. Ctrl plus Z undoes your mistake. Ctrl plus Y redoes it because mistakes can be art. Ctrl plus L jumps you straight to the browser address bar. Ctrl plus Enter after typing OpenI, and it autofills the www end. Calm? Lazy? Nah, efficient. Ctrl plus D for a new tab, Ctrl plus W to close it, and Ctrl plus Shift plus D to bring that tab back from the grave. Necromancy for Chrome. Ctrl plus Shift plus S opens Task Manager. Not the Ctrl plus Alt plus Del drama. This is straight VIP access. Alt plus F4 slams the app shut. Savage. Win plus D shows your desktop like a magician revealing the tablecloth. All windows gone. Press again, everything's back. Win plus E opens File Explorer. Win plus M minimizes all windows. Like a boss. Win plus V opens your clipboard history. Yes, that 3-day-old meme is still alive in there. Ctrl plus N opens a new window. Want incognito mode? Ctrl plus Shift plus N. You're not hiding anything, right? Screenshot time. Win plus PRTSCN saves a full screenshot. Alt plus PRTSCN captures the active window only. Snipping tool who Ctrl plus A selects everything. Ctrl plus S saves your work, often, because autosave isn't always your friend. Ctrl plus P prints. Ctrl plus D bookmarks. It's like Mario power-ups, but for productivity. F to renames files. Double-clicking, so 2010. F5 refreshes. Alt plus Enter shows file properties faster than your Wi-Fi disconnects. Win plus or opens Run. Type Notepad and feel like a hacker from the 90s. Win plus X opens a secret menu. Try it. It's cooler than your gym playlist. Win plus L locks your PC. Use it whenever your cat walks across. Your keyboard or your little cousin appears uninvited. Dual monitor gang. Rise up. Win plus Shift plus Left. Right arrow moves windows between screens. Win plus Ctrl plus D creates a new virtual desktop. Win plus Ctrl plus F forecloses it. And Ctrl plus Win plus Left. Right switches between them like tabbing through timelines. Win plus G opens the Xbox game bar. Want to record your screen? Win plus Alt plus or boom. Instant screen recording. Twitch streamers, take notes. Ctrl plus backspace deletes full words. Ctrl plus delete does it forward. Combo this with Ctrl plus arrow keys to navigate your text like a keyboard ninja. Ctrl plus Shift plus S opens Task Manager again because, let's be real, your RAM is tired. Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow keys rotate your screen. Prank responsibly. Excel warriors, assemble. Ctrl plus adds today's date. Ctrl plus adds the current time. Ctrl plus Shift plus plus inserts a new cell. You're now officially better than 90% of office workers. Win plus K connects wireless displays and audio. Win plus I opens settings. Win plus A opens quick settings. Win plus U for accessibility, inclusive and efficient. Ctrl plus Shift plus N creates a new folder faster than your thoughts. Ctrl plus E jumps to the File Explorer search bar. Ctrl plus H opens browser history, your secrets laid bare. Win plus spacebar toggles between languages. Great for bilingual folks, or that one time you accidentally installed the Korean keyboard layout and couldn't undo it. Ctrl plus U to view source code. Web devs, rejoice. Ctrl plus R refreshes pages. Ctrl plus F finds words. Ctrl plus H replaces them. Ninja edit like a boss. Win plus, period opens the emoji panel. Yes, your keyboard has feelings. Ctrl plus Q quits apps. CT or L plus S opens Start menu without touching the Windows key. Alt plus Tab switches apps, add Shift to reverse. Bonus, Alt plus F8 shows login options. CT or L plus mouse scrolls, zooms in or out. Useful in Excel, browsers, and when your glasses are somewhere you can't find. Still here? That means you've just become a shortcut sensei, and your mouse is sweating. Be kind, give it a break. But hey, don't keep all this power to yourself. Smash that subscribe button like it's CT or L plus Z after you accidentally deleted your term paper. Leave a comment with your favorite shortcut, or invent one like CT or L plus taco equals free lunch. We won't judge. Until next time, keep your fingers on the keys and your productivity at 100%.